Resources Limited.
Danway Technologies Resources Limited is an information technology services company positioned to provide you with solutions in the area of business information technology and security services. We have also translated experiences and skills in the area of managing IT services and strategies, information securities, and re-engineering to align business processes with the right enabler to increase efficiency and productivity. Our services include IT solutions, home automated security surveillance systems, CCTV, conference audio system, security gadget sales and supply, internet services, and networking. We also offer intercom PAPX, electric fence, inverter power supply, auto gate installation services, biometric time attendance, security guard and escort event services, consultancy and training, and many more. Our corporate head office is at number 26 at Adekunle Fajoyi Road, Adamasingba, Ibadan, and our branch office at number 60 Decat Building, MKO Abiola Way, Ring Road, Ibadan. Telephone 0803 562 8565. You can also email us at danwayforever@gmail.com or info@danwaytech.com. You can also visit our website at www.danwaytech.ng. Danway Technologies Resources Limited, your telecom, IT, and security partner.